Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable barbecue propane grills available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have ranked them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, so let's dive into the countdown. Starting off at number 5, we have the CharBroil Portable Convective 1-Burner Propane Gas Grill. This is the budget-friendly option in our lineup, priced at an incredibly affordable $46.99. Despite its low cost, this grill offers a solid performance for casual outdoor cooking. With an 11,000 BTU rating and a compact 190 square inch cooking surface, you can comfortably cook up to 8 burgers or 12 brats at once. Design-wise, it's lightweight and portable, with heat-resistant side handles that make it easy to carry. The porcelain-coated wire grates heat up quickly and maintain even temperatures, though they may not be as durable as stainless steel grates. Assembly is straightforward, and the included instructions make setup hassle-free. However, its cooking power is modest compared to higher-end models, making it best suited for smaller gatherings or camping trips. Pros include its unbeatable price, portability, and ease of use. On the downside, the 90-day warranty is shorter than other models, and the build quality might not withstand heavy use long-term. If you're looking for a grill that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this CharBroil grill is worth considering. At number 4, we have the CharBroil Stainless Steel Portable Liquid Propane Gas Grill. This mid-range option delivers a balance of affordability and performance, priced at $100.34. It features a durable stainless steel construction and a 200 square inch cooking surface, making it suitable for small gatherings or tailgating. The stainless steel wire grates are robust and resistant to rust, while the heat-resistant handles ensure safe handling during cooking. With its compact dimensions, it's easy to transport and store, though it's slightly heavier at 21.4 pounds compared to other portable grills. Its performance is solid, providing even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. However, its single-burner design limits versatility, as you can't create multiple heat zones for different types of food. The pros include its sleek design, sturdy construction, and reliable performance. Cons include the lack of advanced features like an integrated thermometer or dual burners. Overall, this grill is perfect for users who need a dependable, straightforward grill without too many bells and whistles. At number 3, the Royal Gourmet GT1001 Stainless Steel Portable Grill steps in as a versatile and thoughtfully designed option. Priced at $109.86, it offers a spacious 285 square inch cooking area, including a warming rack, making it ideal for larger gatherings or family barbecues. This grill features a durable stainless steel U-shaped burner that delivers an even 10,000 BTU of heat, ensuring fast and efficient cooking. The folding legs and lockable lid make it highly portable, while the removable grease tray simplifies cleanup. However, at nearly 18 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other compact grills on our list. Assembly is relatively simple and only requires a few steps, making it user-friendly. Pros include its generous cooking space, portability, and easy cleanup. On the downside, its single burner limits heat zone customization, and the chrome-coated warming rack may not be as durable as stainless steel grates. This grill is perfect for tailgaters or campers who need a reliable grill with a large cooking surface. Coming in at number 2 is the CharBroil Grill-to-Go X200, priced at $143.99. This grill incorporates CharBroil's amplifier cooking technology, which reduces flare-ups and delivers juicier, more flavorful food. With a 200 square inch cooking area and a 9,500 BTU rating, it's a solid performer for outdoor enthusiasts. The design is rugged and portable, featuring stainless steel latches and carry handles for secure transportation. The lid-mounted temperature gauge is a handy addition for precise heat monitoring, while the removable grease tray simplifies post-grill cleanup. At 20 pounds, it's heavier than some models, but its durable construction ensures longevity. Pros include advanced cooking technology, even heat distribution, and portability. Cons are its slightly lower BTU rating and weight. If you're looking for a grill with innovative cooking features and a durable design, the Grill2Go X200 is an excellent choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cuisinart Chefstyle Tabletop Portable Propane Gas Grill. This premium option, priced at $199.99, combines sleek design with high-end features. With dual burners delivering a total of 20,000 BTUs, you can create custom heat zones for cooking different foods simultaneously. The stainless steel grates provide even heat distribution and are perfect for grilling anything from delicate vegetables to thick steaks. Setup is a breeze, taking less than 10 minutes without any tools. At just 22 pounds, it's lightweight and highly portable, complete with folding legs, a locking lid, and a carrying handle. The integrated thermometer and precise heat controls make this grill ideal for achieving perfect cooking results every time. Pros include powerful dual burners, exceptional build quality, and hassle-free setup. The only downside is its higher price point, but the premium features and performance justify the investment. If you're looking for the best portable propane grill on the market, the Cuisinart Chefstyle Tabletop Grill is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with these grills, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.